Washing and cleaning a motorbike. Welcome to this session on washing and cleaning a motorbike. Washing and cleaning a motorbike is a value-added service which can be provided along with servicing or separately as requested by the customer. After a wash, the vehicle looks fresh and new, leaving a good impression on the customer. Cleaning removes the dirty mixture of oil, grease, mud, and other corrosive deposits from the important parts and is a necessary preventive maintenance of the vehicle. However, cleaning a motorbike is a complex task because the vehicle has certain components which require care and caution. Incorrectly cleaning a two-wheeler can damage these components and the paint. It can also cause some parts to rust. In this session, we will learn the step-by-step process of cleaning a motorbike. Let's first take a look at the tools and materials required for cleaning a motorbike. You will require pressure washer, water, air compressor, bucket, auto detergent, large cleaning brush, sponge or soft towel for drying, anti-corrosion fluid, and grease. Let us now see the steps involved in cleaning a motorbike. First, let the motorbike to cool down. Spraying cold water directly on hot engine can spoil the engine blocks. Move the two-wheeler to the washing area, which should be a firm surface. Ensure that the vehicle is on center stand. Turn the petrol tap off. Next, keep the soap water solution ready for washing. Now let's take a look at some of the precautions to be taken before washing a two-wheeler. Remove personal belongings from the motorbike boot and storage spaces. Improperly repaired electrical wirings and switches need to be covered with insulated tapes before washing. If you have doubt about the electronic switches on the hand grips and the indicator gauges like speedometer, do not spray the pressure water directly on them. Wipe them separately with a damp sponge or cloth. Now let's see how we clean a two-wheeler. Switch on the pump mains. Adjust the pump pressure to midpoint by adjusting the pressure gauge setting, gauge or switch. Spray the vehicle with medium pressure to wet it. Some washers have an adjustable nozzle head to adjust the pressure while spraying. It is better to start with a lower pressure setting and then slowly increasing it while spraying the wheels. If there is no way of adjusting the water pressure, test the sprayer to assure that the pressure is acceptable. Using the large cleaning brush, rub the mild soap water on the wheels and chain guard. The seat, body panels, engine area, and lights can be cleaned with a soap solution using the towel or sponge. Clean all the external parts, then rinse with the pressure washer. To wash the underside of the engine and transmission, place the vehicle leaning on the side stand. In this case, the vehicle is on a ramp, so we are able to wash the underside of the vehicle even when it is on the center stand. Clean the vehicle thoroughly. Switch off the pump and allow the water to drain. Use compressed air to remove trapped water. Wipe the vehicle clean with a soft towel. Avoid using rough clothes which can leave scratches on the paint. Spray the anti-corrosive liquid over the rust-prone areas on the frame and wheels to minimize rust formation. Wipe off excess liquid. Lubricate the brake and clutch cables with a small amount of grease. Clean the work area and put away the tools as needed. Turn the fuel tap on and start the vehicle to ensure the engine is working. Move the clean motorbike out of the wash area to a clean, firm surface. We have seen the proper method of water washing and cleaning a motorbike. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the key steps involved. Step 1. Cover the exposed electrical equipments with a plastic bag. Step 2. Spray the vehicle with medium pressure to wet it. Step 3. Rub soap solution on the wheels, seat, body panels, engine area, chain guard and lights. Step 4. Wash the underside of the engine and transmission. Step 5. Using compressed air, remove the trapped water. Step 6. Spray anti-corrosive liquid over the rust-prone areas on the frame and wheels. Step 7. Lubricate the brakes and clutch cables with a small amount of grease. The motorbike looks brand new and is ready to be delivered to the customer. Hope you have enjoyed this session.